friends, thank you for visiting. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a door hanger. Look at this. I found these cute candies at a local store and they're perfect for this season. So if you want to give a surprise to your neighbors or friends, so this is the perfect gift. It's simple and cute. Let's start. To begin, we're going to have a piece of cardstock and it is a 9.5 tall by 3.75 inches wide. That's the size, the total size that we're going to use. Also, we're going to have two pieces of cardstock that will go on the sides, 2.75 inches tall by 1.5 inches wide. Those are going to be on the sides to close the pocket. First, we're going to make a couple of scoring lines, not that way of course, this way, and the first scoring line is going to go from the bottom to up to 2.5 inches, and the second scoring line is going to go 3.5 inches from the bottom. That will give us a gap of 1 inch. So those are the scoring lines. Let's fold them, and now we have a pocket. We want to close those pockets with the side cardstock. So what we're going to do, we're gonna use 0.25 or a quarter of inch scoring line on the only on three sides of that little piece. We're gonna do it for both of them. And before folding, we want to cut those edges, the corners, so we can have a clean fold. And when we glue it, it's not going to show kind of wrinkled. Okay, so we are ready for that. Now we're going to fold those, and it's ready to go on the side of our hanger. Okay, so now I have everything folded and ready. But before putting the sides on, we want to decorate. So we pick the side that we want to decorate, and I have already some things that I pre-made so we can make this video a little faster. So I just a simple circle for the background. Then I got a Santa Claus, and I'm gonna glue it there. So I already stamped, colored, and die cut, and now it's ready to go on. I will give you the link for the set that I used. I got it at Michael's, and there we go. So now we're going to add a couple more things to make it look prettier, and I'm gonna use, so I got a Christmas tree and some presents. I'm gonna cut them in half. So I have like that. I don't want it a full tree because then it will kind of overlap on the Santa Claus. Even if I put the Santa Claus on top of the tree, it's gonna look too busy. That's what I did with the present as well. I cut it in half from the regular size of the stamp. If you have something smaller and that will work for you, that's great. Anyway, so now I like to put always a little bit of glitter, but first let's put the sentiment. I put it on foam so it will give a little bit of dimension. Also got this cute foam sticker. There we go. So now we are finished with the decorating part. Now we are going to put the sides. So for this one I used double-sided tape. It's better, it works a lot better than just glue. So I'm gonna use that. Put it on the three sides that I'm going to glue or stick on the door hanger to make the pocket. There we go. So now we put it on. We remove the tape covering that protects the sticky part. So we're going to remove them and put them in a way that it's going to fit and make a pocket. So I'm trying to get it closer, but my camera doesn't want to cooperate today. So let's put it on, and take your time. Don't do it fast. We want to make it really cute and nice. So take your time. Be sure that you pressure the spots, and there we go. We have one side. Now let's do the other side. And again, remove the protection of the adhesive, and then let's put it there. Okay, oops. I have sticky fingers. Okay, so let's press it down. Let's put our fingers inside to create pressure. And done. So now we have our two sides, and we had made a pocket. So now I'm gonna put some tissue paper in the bottom so the faces or the heads of the candy will show, and it's gonna move a little bit, so let's put some tissues on the side to keep it steady. And our final step will be cutting the slot so we can hang it on the door. As you can see, it was easy and fast. And thank you for coming today. Don't forget to give us a like on Facebook. And here it is where our page is in Facebook. Find us as Yaya Gifts One, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our new videos. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.